What's up, everybody? Kyle here with Bigger Chrome Shop, and for this week's product spotlight, we are going to be taking a look at some of our more popular hood ornaments. So starting from your left here, we have the duck hood ornament. If you recognize, it's from the movie Convoy and Death Proof, and we actually get these made from the guy who made the originals. He also makes the Grammys, so nothing but the highest quality here. They come in chrome, black, and you can also get them in any custom colors that you like. So if you don't see what you're looking for, just call one of our sales reps and we can get whatever you want made. So then we have the Royce Monometer, super popular. A lot of people love this one. We also have the bull horns and your standard flying goddess, the swan, and then this one's a little more newer, the sitting pig, and that one's actually turned out to be quite popular. So if you're in the market for a new hood ornament, come on down, check us out. If you don't see what you like here, go ahead and look at our website. We got plenty more options on there. That is bigregchromeshop.com, and then don't forget to follow our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thanks a lot.